This is a must-have tripod for every photographer and video maker. It looks like a regular tripod, but there's so much to which this little tripod can do. This video is brought to you by Pentaloft, the one and only YouTube channel that brings tech reviews and information to you anytime and anywhere. The question is, why is this tripod a must-have for every photographer and video maker? I have the answer to that question, so sit back and relax as we jump right into it. This tripod comes with a phone holder and itself being the tripod, and it goes for about $5 in the market and it's equivalent to 1,500 naira. You see, it's a very cheap stuff, but its functions are just too good for the price. It is made up of hard plastic, and what I admire most about this tripod is its flexibility. Its legs can bend easily to any direction, which allows you to attach it to any surface that is suitable in your surroundings. It has a rotatable socket joint which allows you to bend and position your camera or device at the best position which is suitable at that moment. It has a regular screw link attachment which is compatible with most digital cameras and DSLR. The phone mount clip is made up of plastic and there are some metals for extra durability, and it uses spring to hold the phone in place instead of screw. Even though I prefer using the screw phone holder, I think this one is strong enough to hold any device without letting it to fall down. Sometimes I feel like the pressure is even too much on the phone. I'm not sure about that. Perhaps not. The phone mount clip is compatible with most phones such as iPhone, Samsung, HTC, LG, etc. The flexible leg allows you to bend it so that you can level out a camera or a phone on an uneven surface and to make the camera look level. It is a very handy equipment to carry around because of its small size, which makes it easy to fit into most pockets and traveling bags. You can set it up on the desk and vlog on the go, or you can use it as a selfie stick and take pictures or make videos on the go. You can use it at home, offices, basically anywhere, and it can serve as a phone stand which you can attach your phone and use it to watch movies without having to hold it on your hand. This is a very great product and I really like it, and if you want to buy this stuff, you can go to Jumia website and search for tripod and phone holder, and you definitely have this big boy appear in your search results. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and see you next time. Peace.